Hi guys, today we have an interesting project to introduce for you guys. This project called Subquery. But before we get into it, so let's take a look at some problem in the blockchain right now. Nowadays, as people know, the blockchain come up with a lot of information, and that information is scattered all around and messed. This makes it difficult for the developer or the people who want to retrieve the data to use because it takes a lot of time and the way to do is complicated, and this makes Subquery occur. Subquery is the project that will allow the developer, including the people who want to run the data on the blockchain, can be accessed and retrieved quick and simple without wasting a lot of time. When Subquery handles the data collection and organize the data in the order manner, make time for the user, developer, retrieve the information. And it's even easier. As for now, the Subquery still works on the Polkadot chain, but in the future, it can be extended to the other chains such as Parachain that are currently being auctioned. So how Subquery works? The way to work is divided by 4 steps. The first one is extract, is the filtering and extracting the data from the blockchain in real time. Second one is transform, is the converting and combining the data from the blockchain into the order. The third one is persist. Persist is keep the data in the store in the powerful database. And the last one is query. Query is the developer or those who want to retrieve the data whenever they want. And the subquery will still have 3 important roles that we can get into it: indexer, consumer, and delegator. Let's take a look. So the first one is indexer. We're gonna start with it because indexer is the most important because it can create the query so people can use the service. Indexer take the job from the consumer, where indexer have to stake the coin, and that coin called SQT coin, which indexer does doing the job does not well, or they doing some bad, they would be punished by take the coin back. So indexer is suitable for the talent developer. Second, the consumer. The consumer will have the indexer create the query that they want when the indexer finish the work. So the consumer have to pay them. The consumer is suitable for the normal people or the developer who want to take some photos such as create some various app. And the last one is delegator. The delegator is the normal user like us who want to support the indexer. Delegator has to stake the SQT coin. It's like sponsoring our favorite indexer or good indexer. When the indexer have to create various query for the consumer, the indexer had to stake SQT coin as well. If the indexer is supported by a lot of delegator, the indexer can earn a lot as well. And of course, if the indexer earn a lot, so you will get a lot as well. Because when the indexer complete the query, it had to share some of it with the delegator who support and help them. The delegator need to be staked, give it up to 28 days. If you can stay or get out in the middle or late, you won't get the reward. So the delegator is suitable for ordinary people like us who want to support a good. And this part is the overview how that 3 role work, order to make easier and understand. Consumer pay the indexer to get the query like this, and then tell indexer, please provide some information to us. Indexer will help to complete the query as the consumer want. And the delegator will support the indexer. The more support they have, that means more indexer will get. And income for delegator receive is gonna be greater. So I will describe it in easy word: big support, big share. Okay, and this part, let's take a look some project that currently using the Subquery project on the Polkadot. So you may have heard about it, such as Moonbeam, Bifrost, Astar, and Subscan, and a lot of projects using Subquery. Sound interesting? So finally, How subquery important? Guys, let's take a look what this project gonna do in the future. I considering it very important and necessary, as I said above, that the data of the blockchain is very large in each block, is scattered and meshed. It will be important role to handle the information that is project useful for both sides, developer and user. So developer, they will be able to retrieve the data quick, and the normal user like us, because the developer can retrieve the data quickly and simple. As a result, the various DApp create and developed by the developer. And as I said in the video, there are many DApp or projects that use Subquery. The demand of Subquery will grow and grow and grow, same as the Polkadot ecosystem grow. And this future can also be extended to the other chain. I would like to say the Subquery is very important in the future to handle information to the app. And I said many times, it's worth nothing. The Subquery is very necessary to develop to the developer anyway. So that's all for today. If you want to follow the new or the information of the Subquery, I already put the official contact in the description. So yeah, today is finished, and have a good day. Bye bye, see you later.